A Pakistani official said train coaches imported from China are completely compatible with the local track and have been approved for a commercial run after the initial trial at one of the fastest tracks in Pakistan.
The total coaches are 230, and out of those 230, 46 has been provided as a completely built unit from China, and the remaining coaches will be manufactured in Pakistan. So it is a kind of transfer of technology agreement. So not only that, these coaches have been provided to Pakistan. It will enhance the technological capability of Pakistan, and in future Pakistan may develop a capacity in our carriage factories where we will be able to manufacture these coaches on our own. So this is definitely a step forward.
Under the technology transfer agreement, the remaining coaches will be imported to Pakistan in the form of components and manufactured in Pakistan with China's technical assistance to enhance Pakistan's ability to produce trains independently. The official said the coaches were acquired through transparent bidding in which the Chinese company was preferred among all others from different countries.
And out of those firms, few firms were shortlisted which are well reputed, and this firm from where we actually purchased this rolling stock posed the highest bid, which was more favorable to the terms and conditions, and that's why we got it.
Gao said more new features are also seen in Pakistan Railway to provide passengers more convenience.
Pakistan need a modern state-of-the-art railways. If we plan well and if we collaborate with our friends in the region and outside the region, I'm sure that we will move towards that direction. And Pak-China collaboration, I think, is the key in that equation.